MarketHive Infinity Bounty Program is designed to reward you for your actions within MarketHive. Different from our faucets, a micro reward system in exchange for completing described tasks within the back office, a bounty is defined as a reward designed to motivate behavior to promote a need. Our Infinity Bounty rewards you for following 9 or more of our social network accounts like Twitter, Telegram, Reddit, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Facebook, Digo, Tumblr, Medium, Flickr, LiveJournal, and VK. The Infinity Bounty basic rewards are a 10% increase in faucet micropayments, a 10% discount on the Entrepreneur Upgrade, and qualified bounty members being invited to contests, gifts, premiums, ad co-ops, and proof of concept campaigns. The Bounty Control Panel lists all of these both active and inactive campaigns with a summary of how it works and a blog-like page with greater detail. Only Infinity Bounty qualified members will be qualified for the MarketHive sponsored bounty programs we launch. Then it is optional for you to join these bounties via the control panel. The Infinity Bounty will publish the content, description, and rules to the blog, which in turn will be published out to the root pages on MarketHive.com and MarketHive.net, giving further advertising power. It will also be distributed to all MarketHive social accounts as well as those who subscribe to the Infinity Bounty blog. You will find the Bounty Program control panel on the MarketHive's dashboard homepage. That control panel will list the active as well as inactive bounties. You will be able to join the active bounties and receive their benefits by fulfilling their requirements. You will also be able to launch your own co-op bounties with MarketHive as an entrepreneur. As an entrepreneur, you'll have access to publish and promote your own bounty campaigns. The MarketHive ecosystem provides additional motivational levers. While most rewards are for a predefined amount, this type of reward has the potential to appreciate in value. Similar to stock options, in which the potential for appreciation increases their motivational value. An award in cryptocurrencies also has upside potential, as well as downside risk. Immediate gratification is another motivational level. Bounties can be released immediately to anyone who has managed to solve a problem or attain a performance level. This ability for entrepreneurs will be fulfilled by MarketHive's purse partnership with the entrepreneur that releases a bounty of their own.